Welcome to Cook UK. The first part of making our German apple cake is to line this tin. We've got a false bottom one here like this, or you can use a spring-form tin. That tin has been greased before we started off here, just lightly greased with some butter or some oil. And now what Sue is doing is she's going to cut two pieces of paper here, and they are a little over about 1.5 inches, 4 centimetres over the depth of the tin. We've got to cut two pieces of paper because one piece of paper won't go all the way around. And then you fold over the top of the piece of paper about 2 centimetres down, and then you snip it all the way along, exactly like this. And what that's going to do is that's going to allow the piece of paper to sit comfortably and snugly in the tin. We've got to do that because it's a circle. So the cut bits go at the base of the tin, like that, and then we're going to do the same with the other one, so the whole of the side of the cake tin is covered in baking paper. So it's just sipping it off a bit there because that's roughly the size of the remaining part of the tin sides that have been covered. And then you just gently firm that around the base and around the edges. You'll find the baking paper will stick to the edges because you've greased it before you've actually put the paper in. Hey presto, there's your lined baking tin for the sides. Now for the slightly more complicated base of the tin. You cut up a piece of baking paper about 10 centimetres wide, and then watch this folding motion here. So you fold it into a square, you then fold it again, and you then take the corner and fold it over as shown there, and then you fold it once more, and that's the final bit of the folding. And you then judge the size of the paper by putting the pointy bit roughly into the middle of the cake tin, making a mark like that, and then cutting out. And there you have, in 45 seconds, the lined base of the baking tin. There you are. That's special from Cook UK.